Hey kiddo, let's learn about small ABCD. Using only two colors, but before this please share, subscribe and like my channel.
Silver color, green color, A for asparagus, B for bottle, C for cup, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grass, H for horse, I for ink pot, J for joker, K for kite, L for lemon, M for monkey, N for nest, O for octopus, P for pigeon, Q for quail, R for rat, S for sunflower, T for tiger, U for unicorn, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yellow, Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.